Hey y'all, here it is time that I've posted something for you. I would have done a food review. I was at a place, I think I'm in Schilling Park, but I'm not sure. But, hold on. It's Frannies Beef and Catering. Check it out. So anyway, I just finished incredible Italian beef, and honestly, I think they were the best French fries I've ever had. So if you're ever in possibly Schilling Park or someplace that may be Schilling Park or in the Chicago greater area, give it a try. It's amazing. Back, let's see, how long ago? A year ago, I think? No. Maybe it was June. Anyway, I've been here once before, and or maybe twice. I've had their Chicago dogs, which are genuine Chicago dogs, and their Italian ice is legit Italian ice. Everything is legit. The Italian beef, they slow cook like for all day. The owner is very proud of it, and will be sure to let you know that it's legit. That's why I'm not filming inside. It's a bunch of Italian guys, bigger than me, and I didn't want to anger them by trying to film and record me stuffing my face. Actually, it's noisy in there, and I sat at a little side table and I was busy stuffing my face. Anyway, it's legit. Try it sometime. And thanks for watching. And come back again for some seriously legit content, or whatever I can get online. It's been a crazy week or two. That's why I haven't recorded anything really crazy. Hopefully we'll get back in the swing of things. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.